ACE by Daisy, the free EPUB accessibility checking tool. Getting started. ACE is a command line tool, so you'll run it by typing commands into a terminal window. Here's how to open a terminal window on a Mac. Go to Spotlight by clicking on the magnifying glass at the top, or press Command and Space. Then type Terminal and Enter. On a PC, press the Windows key and R to bring up the Run dialog. Then type CMD and hit Enter. Now you know how to open a terminal window on your computer. Let's look at downloading and installing ACE. The software is designed to run on just about any system. There are two steps to download and install the tool. The first is to get Node.js, the JavaScript runtime framework used by ACE. So just use your favorite search tool to visit the Node.js website and download and install the version suitable for your computer. After installing Node, open a terminal window and type npm -g install @daisy/ace. npm is the Node package manager, and the G switch is to install ACE as a global package. The package manager will download and install the latest version, and a progress bar will show you that things are moving along nicely. Now, to check that ACE is installed correctly, type ace -h, and this help command shows you the various command line options available to you. OK, now I have ACE installed successfully. Let's run the accessibility checker on an EPUB file. At a terminal window, I type ACE, and in this example I want to store the output in a folder on my computer, so I use -o and provide the folder name. Then I write the name of the EPUB file I want to check. ACE will save two versions of the report, human readable in HTML and a machine readable version in the JSON format. When ACE has run successfully, I can go and view the results. To review the report, I can go to the output folder I specified and open report.html in my browser. The report has several sections. The Violations tab has a table of automated tests that have failed, with suggestions for remedying the problems and links to the relevant section of the Accessible Publishing knowledge base. The Metadata tab has a table of all the publication's metadata from its package document and has a special mention of present or absent accessibility metadata. In the Outlines tab, we've extracted views of different aspects of the publication's structure, presented side by side for quick comparison. And in the Images tab, there's a table of all the images in the publication and the accessibility properties for each. There is more information in the online documentation about the reports produced by ACE. Well, now you're ready to try ACE yourself. So visit inclusivepublishing.org for step-by-step instructions and further information about the ACE tool. And to stay up to date with information about ACE and the latest news on accessible publishing, subscribe to the Inclusive Publishing newsletter. Thank you for watching this video on getting started with ACE by Daisy, the open source accessibility checker for EPUB from the Daisy Consortium. This video was produced in 2018 and is copyright to the Daisy Consortium.